It's just so surreal. It's crazy. Like, I'm excited, I'm nervous, and it's just, I don't think it's really sunk in yet. It's just a big mix of emotions right now. It's just laughing, crying, it's all happening. It's all going on. Yeah, it's crazy. Like, I could use this so bad. Like, I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 kids.
So you're pretty busy.
Non-stop. Busy, busy, busy.
Can I get your kids' names?
Emma. Tina.
That was Taylor. This is Xander. And little Haley is back here.
Haley's the youngest one. The kids are pretty excited about this.
Oh yeah, Emma couldn't wait to go to school today and tell all of her friends about it. She's excited. As soon as she got off the bus, she's like, "Can we go get a new car now?"
So this is peace of mind for you now.
Oh yeah, just a big, huge thank you to Kelly Ford. This is amazing. Like, don't even understand how much this means to me. It's amazing.
Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Thank you.